Today I will show you how easily you can create this stunning trending letter manipulations absolutely free. You only need a simple prompt to accomplish this, and you can certainly use mine. Find the prompt in the video description. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to bing.com. Click on Images. You'll see a list of options. Choose You Create. This is our homepage. You'll find numerous pre-made images with prompts. Feel free to use both images and prompts. In the box provided, enter your prompt. For example, my prompt includes the country name, the first letter of the country, trees, buildings, and a white background. You can add anything here. Click on Create, and your images will be ready in a minute. Here is the output. To preview it, click anywhere on the image. Check each one individually, and you can download or share the link. By clicking here, you can download the image. You can also share the link from here. For the second image, simply change the country name and the first letter. That's it. This image features the USA flag and the first letter. Follow these steps to create your own images. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.